left my home at sunrise, dust still on my boots, and chasing down a dream I thought I couldn't lose. But the neon lights in Reno never felt like home. I played my cards and lost, now I'm headed back alone. Every mile I go, the memories come again, like a ghost that rides beside me in that high desert wind. High desert wind, won't you lead me home tonight, to the ones I left behind when I swore I'd be alright. I'm tired of all these motel rooms, payphones and could-have-beens. So take me back, high desert wind. Radio is crackling through these sagebrush roads. I hear a favorite song and it cuts me to the soul. I thought the world out there would help me make my name, but the only thing I found was that I'm the one to blame. Now hope's a little fragile, but I'm trying to pretend, while the past keeps calling softly with that high desert wind. High desert wind, won't you lead me home tonight, to the ones I left behind when I swore I'd be alright. I'm tired of all these motel rooms, payphones and could-have-beens. So take me back, high desert wind. I see porch light shadows falling on the old front door. Wonder if she'll smile or say she don't love me anymore. But I'll take my chances just to feel her touch again, 'cause I've been gone too long, blowing like the high desert wind. High desert wind, won't you slow this heart of mine? I'm coming home to stay, leave that foolish road behind. No more lonely motel rooms, no more might have beens. Take me back, high desert wind. Yeah, I'm heading home again on that high desert wind.